What's up, guys? What's up, Ricky? Hey, Max, today are the news for AJ. Yeah, yeah, I think all day there's some kind of holiday. I'm not sure. I read it yesterday.
It is a bank holiday here.
Hey, it's gonna run down like Tyson Fury.
Morning, guys.
There we go. Sorry, YouTube. I'm back now. Morning. So yeah, it looks pretty good to continue. If you got in on that flip, well done, guys. I just clicked it pretty much instantly over here, but we'll see. Wow, that was very quick. I saw some guys in the chat like 10 minutes ago, something about this 4-hour flip, and I just saw GJ. I was like, this is what they're talking about. The only thing is the zone. The zone isn't too big, but I still think
But if you can catch those 12 pips to the next resistance,
yeah,
a good rate to start on Monday morning.
Yeah, exactly. The only thing I'd say is that a 4-hour might struggle because it's right at 4-hour support, but
yeah, gold is also the zone for sale.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna leave AJ then today if it's bank holiday, so that's gone for the day.
Yeah.
Let me just get rid of this. Okay, so yeah, beautiful. So looking like gold came back down 1916, coming back into that range that was there for fucking ages. So that's pretty nice. I'll take a check on YouTube in a second, guys. 1 sec. Let me just put this out. So the 4-hour and the daily are bearish, as we see, but they are right at that little support. So going to be interesting to see what we could do with it.
Open.
Yeah, let's take a look to the left. Did that hourly close below? Kind of did.
Right
Yeah.
in the zone, kind of.
Yeah. Let me just move this over here. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. Looked kind of good to continue down though. And where would the next target be? Let's take a look on the 15 minutes. Go left. So the next target would be 1910. Right there. I think that could be quite nice. So yeah, that looks pretty good as well. The only thing is it is a very, very strong support. So if you see how strong it is on the 4 hour. So we'll have to be a bit cautious in that. If you're still in GJ, which I am, let's take a look then. So I got in right here. Stops 8 pips, 3.5.
Enter a trade next.
Yeah, man, I just clicked that bitch. Yeah.
GG, huh?
Yeah.
4 hour.
Nah, 50 minute top wick, close your back in the zone.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was too quick to write a signal. If I write a signal, people would be even pissed off at me, so I'm just gonna take it. But a lot of people actually had this anyway, so 5 pips profit now if people have taken this trade. Looking good for the 5 minute to drive down. Soon I'm gonna go break even and just hope it can float to my TP, and that'll be a nice start to the morning. Yeah, I'm putting stop loss to break even now, guys. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Just hit 10 pips. Nearly. Beautiful work. Yeah, it's right at that support. I'm going to close a large amount here. Beautiful. So I'm going to leave a little runner maybe to get to 131. But that is it. So beautiful, guys. If you did catch that trade, well done. For me, I couldn't really call it out for you guys as it literally just started. But well done, well done. Well done, Tommy boy. Man, you get in. Well done, everyone. That was some good analysis from you guys, though. We see that happen a lot. Yeah, so you know the trend's bearish. Very, very good. You know the trend's bearish. You wait for some resistance to form. Ride that bitch back down. Okay? Very, very nice. So I did actually take that live. So let me just put this on over here. Beautiful start to the week. Very, very nice. Okay. Who else took that trade on my squad? I think a lot of you guys did it. I paper traded it. Nice, nice, nice. Great dub, yeah. So you small dots. Oh, for fuck's sake, Adil. It's a shame, man. Same trade by me. Lol, got 6 pips. Nice, amazing work. Well done, well done, Daiso, man. So yeah, that was very, very quick. I wish I had a little bit more time, but I started the stream at 7, so I didn't have any more time. But yeah, so if you guys didn't really get what that meant, it looks like this setup, okay? We talk about it all the time.
It's a shame, man. Same trade by me. Lol, got 6 pips. Nice, amazing work. Well done, well done,
Second, I'll just go on here.
Yeah, that was very, very quick. I wish I had a little bit more time, but I started the stream.
Very.
There we go. Yeah, PM. There we go. Yeah. So this is the trade idea. Can you see here? This is why I didn't really have to look at it too much. If you take a look right here, let me just record this so it's easier. So if you take a look right here, it's textbook trade. You've got to close your back in the zone. Look where the 4-hour flip is as well. Oh, absolute textbook. So well done, guys, for spotting that out. You've done a really good job there. Top wick has tapped the previous zone, and then we've got a flip. You get the drive down to the next zone. Bob's your uncle. Well done, guys. Really good work there. Very good. I'm leaving runner 164134. Yeah, me too. Me too, me too, me too. So that'll be nice. Yeah, pretty good start. So well done, guys. Welcome. Have I missed a trade? Yeah, to be honest with you, it was pretty much instantly. I put it on. I said if you get on the flip, well done. I might miss it, but I just got enough time to whack my magic keys on. Beautiful. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, to be honest with you, with this gold zone, I'm not going to be too. I don't know. It's going to have to be a very, very nice top wick, strong closures and stuff, just because I know how strong this zone is. You see in the daily how strong it is. I have a feeling it's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass. So we'll see. I took in on the 1 hour time frame. Lol, gonna hold it for a bit longer. Nice. Yeah, I mean, how else could you have got in here? Oh, on the hour, it's the same on the hourly though. The hourly closed bearish, top wick, flip. So, yeah, that was pretty good. That was the same as what really happened on Friday as well. So if you guys were on Friday, oh yeah, guys, if you were here on Friday, you must have listened to what I said. The whole day, the whole stream, I was talking about the resistance forming, and I saw some of you guys sent me the trades you took, but well done for doing that. So can you see here? We had the bearish structure, right? We had the bearish move down. I said all you got to do is wait for a retracement and then resistance to form to then ride it back down, okay? And I think a lot of people took this trade, but me and the group NY session took a beautiful trade over here. We got in there, stop loss above the current wick. It made the top wick, and then we closed. Well, I closed 80% at 20 pips, which is about here, and the rest at 30. Some people held on all the way to 30, but it was a really, really good option there. Yeah, this has just hit 17 pips now, so I'm pretty happy with that. Nice. It's a shame that I didn't have enough time to react to give all of you guys the option, but gotta be on the ball, you know. Gotta be on the ball. If you guys were confident with taking that and you took it, well done. If you paper traded it, well done. These paper trades will give you the confidence to just take that, because everything in that trade is beautiful, right? What did you have? Well, you had strong candles, okay? You had the next candle closing back in the zone, making a top wick at resistance, and then flipping. You had a beautiful 8 pip stop. Everything about that trade was delicious, okay? So there we go. I just hit 20 pips over here. Oh, this could be quite nice to continue down later on, you know. Let's look at the hourly. Oh, I might move my TP. I might move my TP a little bit over here. Yeah, I'm gonna move my TP a little bit more over here. It could be quite nice. So what I'm saying for that is because obviously it's not even 8 o'clock yet, and look to the 4 hour time frame. I mean, we have actually filled the 4 hour wick, so that's a reason why you could potentially take it off, okay? But what I'm thinking is this level here is quite nice. Like this level here could be doing quite nicely, and because you're up like 28 pips, your stop could be quite nice. Yeah, bro, if we have been paying monthly for mentorship, we have to pay another $4.99 or can be added up for lifetime. Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good idea actually. But at the moment it is just, yeah, be $4.99 for the lifetime, my man. So yeah. But then you won't get charged again either, obviously. Yeah, we actually got a lot of lifetimes recently. I think quite a lot of people have gone lifetime, which is good. Someone took gold cells as well. Nice. Very, very nice. How did you get the gold cells? Take a look. Let me just zoom in a little bit longer over here.
Yeah, the 30 minutes was good for 10 pips, but now hit break even.
Had a nice top wick, didn't it? Yeah. Very, very nice.
It's 11 pips actually, but now got to break even.
Yeah, it's not bad. Did you take that, GJ Milan?
No.
Yeah. Well done for people taking that though. Well done. But yeah, let me just update my copy of trade as well. So I do think that if this closes below, my god, this is going to continue down. What I'd probably wait for now is maybe the hourly to close, but still got 45 minutes left though, so damn. I'm with 32 pips on my runner, so this is a good example where a runner is needed, because look, the zone is quite big, you know, the zone isn't too bad, so a runner in this example is pretty good, okay? So juicy. If this 50-minute closes below and GG, would you re-enter? I mean, yeah, we'll see. Sorry, so this one now, no, because it hasn't closed below. But if the next 30 does, it makes a nice top wick and then flips maybe. If the next hourly does, I'll probably wait for the hourly now. We'll see. But yeah, at the moment my runner is gonna do some bits over here. Raja took a sell on gold. Ooh, nice. I closed my position sad. Yeah, I mean, closing at 6 pips was probably a bit too early, you know. That's when I was putting stop loss to break even, really. The first target was here, which was 12 pips. So yeah, you got to find that balance with yourself. You got to find that balance with you're comfortable with what you've got. So yeah.
Max, I re-entered again and I'm up 20 pips. I'm gonna close it. I put it.
Fucking hell. Where the fuck did you get in again? Holy shit. Fucking hell.
What did I get in again on that one?
Yeah, what?
I got in 199, 164, 199.
Wow. Oh, nice, yeah.
You weren't worried about the support?
Yeah, it was a bit risky, but it seemed to work out.
It pushed through it. It pushed through it, and that other candle didn't have a bottom wick. So I thought, fuck it, it's got to drive. How many times has it?
Yeah,
that's
did. True. And then would you have put break
Had
even
that hammer
like that when
candle.
it flipped?
As soon as it pushed like 5 pips, I just put it break even and thought, fuck
that's
it, I'm
fair.
in it now.
Yeah.
Bit of a. I just didn't want to miss the move.
Yeah, man. Very, very nice. Scotty, did you try and get in
I
there or
can't-
not?
No, I got in
The
the...
only reason why is because I seen that hammer candle.
No, the top was good, but I'm just saying the bottom one.
No, I know.
I
But
don't know
did
about
you get in
yeah.
there?
Yeah, top.
Oh,
yeah.
Nice.
You all did except me, huh?
Oh, I missed something already. You're fucking joking.
you don't want to see how far it's ran. Nah, to be honest, Finny boy, I didn't have any time to call it out. I literally had about a millisecond to put it on myself, so.
I wasn't even home anyway. I literally just got home, so all good.
Yeah, exactly. But it's the
The
same.
reason I didn't is because that was too early for me. You know, the session just began.
Yeah,
That's why I
it
didn't.
was probably my earliest trade I've ever taken.
But that gold is dropping 20 pips.
Oh, it's reflipping again. My only issue is that daily support, man. Just if I take a sell right here, look at the wicks to the left, man. Fuck. I'd rather have an hourly closer like this. Oh, I don't know. Someone said about AJ. AJ's bank holiday today, so yeah, don't worry about AJ today. I'd missed out.
Anzac Day.
Yeah, I'd leave it out.
Pardon me.
Wow, that was quite an aggressive start to the week. Holy shit. Very, very nice. Pretty much the same move as what we took on Friday, so nice to see. Right, let's take a look then at potential... Actually, Samuel, if you're in the YouTube, message me and I might be able to sort something out for you. So yeah.
Can I ask you something?
Huh?
Max, can I ask you something?
Yeah.
About the runners, when do you close runners? On 30 pips, 20 pips, or just look at the zone?
I'm just clicking away, you know. Like I've got like my little small account. So like, look, I don't have actually that much on now, but like if you take a look at the arrows, I'm just clicking them off. I'm just fucking bosh. I just gradually as it keeps on pushing, and then it starts relaxing. I take it off when it starts relaxing. So when I get the push. When that starts like pulling back up, then I'll just take some more off. Yeah, and I'll leave this little like 0.02 probably to the next support, which will be down here. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, re-entries are probably gonna be pretty valid because there's quite clean candles. Let me just mark this 1 second. So this is the hourly time frame. So if this next hourly candle closes below here, we've got then another 50 pip zone to drop down.
Yeah, that's right.
Look at the daily as well.
Do you think that'll happen tonight or later on, Max?
I think maybe tonight because it's only 7 o'clock. I've got the whole 8 o'clock volume, so yeah, you might be okay. But yeah, I think now I'm gonna wait for closures below here. Wait, let's take a look at what that looks like on the 15. 1 sec. Let's take a look. Is that okay? Is that it? Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. Yeah, so cells below there are gonna be nice at 8 o'clock. I'm thinking about GJ re-entering. Yeah, below here would be nice. I hope it doesn't really do it now. I'd rather just wait until 8 o'clock. But it looks, yeah, we'll see. So if he sells below here now, This is the next kind of level. Wow, that was quite an aggressive start to the morning. I thought I'd missed it, and then I got to whip my magic keys up, and I was like, oh fuck, I'm gonna get this. Very, very nice. Max, you in a trade? Yeah, Johan, don't worry, I couldn't call it out. You're only lucky if you literally join the stream in the first minute. Or if you did your own analysis.
In the Telegram, because the boys put a couple posts up.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, make sure to have your notifications on, people who weren't on the stream this morning and missed that little trade. Because if you take a look here, maybe JJ had a look at this. Look at Manish over here. Maybe JJ had a fake out closing back in the zone, daily bearish 4 hour, made a top wick. Literally, he said it. And then Kevin goes, yeah, I'm looking at this also. It's the 4 hour flip as well. Yep. And then there you go. They took it. So.
And it looked exactly the same as one of your setups in your Google Drive too. Like.
Exactly. Oh, 50 pips. Okay. So yeah.
I've been looking at it all day because I've had the day off.
You're ready for it. Ready for it. 1 second. Well, I've just started the stream over here and I've got a 50 pip trade. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. That ran nicely as well, man. Those candles are nice. Can you see though, in that, the reason why also I liked it was, can you see in that area, look how big the candles are. Coming up, coming down, look how clean they are. They're all respecting previous highs, previous lows. Very, very nice price action, so it's pretty good to see. Very, very nice. Yeah, I think later on it could be okay. 5 minutes left. I mean, would everyone get in now? I hope it doesn't close above below, to be honest with you, because it shows that there is a bit of support there, and then later on we can. So yeah, that'll be pretty good. What do you think about Euro JPY right now? Send me a chart. I'll take a look at it, man. Send a little chart, and I'll take a look. 136 people in here already. It's only 7:25. Amazing work. Amazing. I think we are probably the biggest stream on YouTube for London, which is pretty nice to see. So, did everyone take that trade? Just came. I don't think everyone did, man. I think people who were up early would have got that, but I don't think people who came in at 7. I only just got it, and I couldn't write anything, man. It was fucking in the first millisecond. Like, when did this happen? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I started the stream at 7:02, and I just saw the top wick. I was like, man, okay. So don't worry if you missed that, man. Don't worry. I think maybe re-entries are going to be nice.
30 minutes closed.
What?
What do you think about 30 minutes closed?
Yeah.
Not 1 hour.
Yeah, I mean, the reason why I'm a bit sketchy when it's before 8 o'clock is. No, it's because the 8 o'clock gives me the volume, and I know the 8 o'clock also gives me nice top wick and stuff. But I mean, yeah, if it gives you a nice top wick, then I don't see why not. To be honest with you.
Yeah, the 4 hour is right on the resistance.
That's true. Right there, yeah, that's true. We'll have to see. You'll have to see. Watching your stream while walking to school, nice. Nice. That's what I did. I used to listen to radio in school as well. No, bro, this this is not a trade that I called out. This is a trade that everyone did their own analysis on, and I also did in the first second of me being on. There's no way I could have given you that. If I posted that in the chat, you still would have missed it, and you would have been more pissed off because you'd be like, Max, why didn't you put it in the chat? It literally happened at 7:03, and I got on this chart at 7:02. So yeah, might be able to continue down over here to 592, which would be interesting. We'll have to see by then. So yeah. watching your stream while walking to school. That is nice though. That is some good shit. Get your work done at school, man.
So what would you look for on a half an hour entry? You'd want a top wick to form again, Max, and then come down, or would you wait around for a bit on it?
Yeah, so it'd be like this. Then and you'd get in like that.
So all the way back up in that range, and
Yeah.
then you'd be happy to take it.
Yeah, because it's rejecting it, and then it'll be, when the flip happens, we'll get the drive. How big would that stop be? The only issue would be the stops would be kind of big.
Big stop.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll have to see.
You get that, Daiso?
Yeah, bro, I got in the early one, and then I re-entered again. I couldn't hold myself and got up even
Yeah, your
more.
second entry, I reckon, was a bit sketchy. Probability of that one playing out, I don't know.
But it just
Jeez.
had no bottom wick, so I just took the risk.
Daiso's Benny's mate, Scott. He's learning from Benny Boy. King send it.
Yeah.
What's that?
And he loves to send it.
Yeah, I know he does, man. I could tell.
He's actually gotten a lot better. He's good. He's gotten a lot better.
Is he? Yeah.
Not gonna lie, man. Me and Ben did New York sessions for a week. Well, just me and him, only New York, and we hit 6.5% in 1 week. And then he let me do it by myself the next week, and I lost it all.
Oh,
And he said,
no.
"Dice, I think you need to join Max or something." He goes, "Because I can't help you. Too busy."
I can't help you. Yeah.
No, but he's just always never on, and that he's always on heaps late. And but joining this was the best thing. Max has taught me heaps.
Yeah, man. It's fun as well, though, isn't it? It's a fun environment.
Yeah, it's a good way to pass time with the other.
So yeah,
Anyway,
it's a shame that that couldn't really happen, but I couldn't give that to everyone. But damn, maybe someone had to ping me at 6:45. Max, get the fuck up.
what have you been doing all day, Finn? I thought you'd be on, ready to go.
I was out all day and I was just helping Mum before. That's why I wasn't on.
Yeah.
Still plenty of time.
Yeah.
Oh, it's fucking. I'm not mad about it. I only get mad about it when I'm actually on and I miss it.
Yeah. Like Friday.
And then you forget to click the button.
So now look, this 30 minutes closed. Now what's the issue now really with the 30 minute? What's the
Stops are going to
issue?
be way too big for the target.
Yeah, exactly. So like, you know, you're
No,
wanting
you're not.
you're wanting a retest like here. I mean, the zone is not. I mean, how big? Let's take a look over here. I don't know. For me, yeah, 18 pips. I don't know, man. For me, when you're breaking into a new zone, which you can see we are here, if you take a look to the left, I want to get in the zone there, not there. So you can see it's literally bang in the middle of this zone. So I don't know how much this top is going to pull all the way back up. But anyway, you can paper trade it. I don't think I'm going to take that though.
Has it swallowed up a lot of your take profit closing that low? Like, where's the target got to be for that?
Well, down here, you know, 163, 570. So it's flipped. It's exceeded the low. So let's see if it can. But I don't know. For me, it's too much in the zone. If this happened up there, and the top wick is in the next zone, then fuck me, yes. But we're in this zone now. This could easily just come all the way back up here, and then do it later on. So I'm not gonna risk that.
Yeah.
Max, I just win after a losing streak. Nice. How was the losing streak? Nice trade if you are. Yeah, bro. We got into this trade, but unfortunately I couldn't really give you guys any warning. I just clicked the button, but a lot of people in my group over here got it, which I'm happy about. 63 pips and counting. Yes. It's a shame that's happened straight away, but anyway, we'll try and find something. Looking like gold is fucking about really, but can you guys see why though? Like, why is it fucking about? Well, it's because it's right at that daily level. It's not going to be nice in that zone. Okay, let's say you look further up. How could you have potentially got it? Maybe that one there. So bearish, rejected, closed bearish, kind of below. Made a top wick, stop loss above 15 pips. Yeah, that would have been the trade, I think. She would have got in on the flip or the low, doesn't really matter. The low would have given you a 17 pip stop, and then yeah, you would have got that drive, and that would have been quite nice. I think, but then now here, these wicks everywhere, not really too good. Push too far, yeah, exactly, Oliver. Let's take a look on that 15. Did it work? Oh, it might have worked. Who was cheeky enough to take that? 7 pips to profit. For me, it's just scraping in the zone. And I would hate to lose a trade in here when everyone else has made money there. It's just, for me, yeah. Not a vibe, not a vibe. So there we go, you know. Closure back in the zones always work out, man. They're pretty good. They're probably, I'd say, my favorite setup because they push so much and they fill the zone pretty much every time. So it's happened here, and it also happened here. Okay, and I got both of them, so I'm pretty happy with that. So another thing which has actually been posted in the webinar this morning is, you know, with GJ, if you get a bearish day like this, there's a very, very small probability that price is going to retrace all the way back up. And that's probably only going to happen with news, okay? So, knowing that, all I got to wait for now is the resistance to form. And people can go, yeah, you can buy over here, or you can buy because it's made a bit of support. Yes, but remember, if you're taking buys, you would have been wicked out or been break even there. You would have may have caught 10 pips there, but the stops would have been big, so I don't know how that would have worked. And then you would have got break even, and then finally it worked out. So you can see it wouldn't have been an easy ride taking buys. It only would have worked there, which is why I said wait later. Or you could just come up here, wait for resistance to form, and then take the sells, which took about 15 seconds to get to TP. So always stick on the trend on GJ. It'll save you a shitload of money. Which one is your better?
There's your 10 pips.
Yeah, nice. Which one is your better for you guys? Counted trades or closures back in the zone? Oh, sorry. Closure back in the zone. Yeah. Closure back in the zone for me is probably my favorite. And it's because of the drive. Because when it rejects a certain level, it just floats back to the support. And the main support here was there. So that move there happens pretty quick. And there we go, just hit 80 pips, fucking hell. It's a shame. Beautiful. Very, very nice. Very nice. So hit that next target pretty quickly, fucking hell. Closure back mean bank are faking out others. We are wise to take money with them. Yeah, exactly, man. Well, yeah, like people just thinking that these buys are gonna continue when this 50-minute close bearish like that. That should be a warning sign. This one should be your confirmation. This one should be your entry. Jesus fucking Christ! Is it ever gonna stop? I need to move my fucking stop again. Hit nearly 90 pips. Fuck. Well, no, I'll have a hit 90 pips. Shit. Nice. Took GJ lol, nice. I got 10 pips on the 30-minute flip. Wow, you actually got into that trade over here. Nice. Well done, well done. That was ballsy, but you did it. Very, very nice. Make sure to like the stream up then, guys, if you learned anything already today. We've got a nice week. Finally, we've got a full week. We've got a full week we can do. Not just a fucking shitty half one, which is nice. Which is good to see. Yeah, Ronnie boy. Unfortunate, but it literally just happened. What I advise doing, guys. So Ron is look at the Telegram. So you might have it on mute, but try and unmute this for the morning. 1 second, because they literally talked about it. That's what I did. So when I woke up at 6:57 or something, 6:56. I looked at the chat because it gave me notifications. And this guy Manish said maybe GJ had a fake out closure back in the zone, daily bearish, 4-hour made top wick. Kevin then also said this. So for me, I'm already looking and going, right, this is looking like an opportunity that people are seeing. I jump on GJ and I fucking put on that bitch. Pretty much straight away. So always try and look at the chat, the chat as well, because that's all I did in this one. And this is textbook, so. But yeah, it's just a shame. I can't really do anything about it. If I come on at 7 AM and the trade's at 7:01, like I'm not gonna be prepared as much as you'd want me to. So, I'm just doing this over here. So, oh shit, 1 second. So it was a fake out, break previous lows. Oh no, it was the break of it was the flip, wasn't it? Was it on the flip? Oh no, I got on a low. 1 second. It was on the 15-minute full. Closed 80%, about 12 pips, I think. I haven't closed full yet, but I closed most of it at like 40 and 50. So I closed. I'm just gonna say I've only got nothing on, so I'll say like 40. Oh, 1 second. So I'll work that out. That'll probably give me about 20. Nice. Nice. I think April overall has been a very good month for people who have been really, really disciplined. How can I join the chat? Oh, bro, you're not in the chats? Come on, just use a bit of initiative. Go here, Telegram. Okay, here's the one that you're on. It says, for new members, please read. There you go. You click on that, and then there's the chat links. Join that, bitches. And then you'll be there, ready to go. Okay. So, I mean, let's take a look at the daily time frame now. We've filled that wick, the clean wick. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Beautiful. So, we've already pushed quite a lot, right? So, what am I going to say to people now? What did I say on Friday?
Yeah, wait for a retracement and maybe take a sell again and then like.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. So, let's take a look on the left, on the hourlies. So, yeah, look, can you see though, right? Where was the clean moves? Where was the clean moves? Well, if you take a look here, let's get our little annotation tool. Here, right? These are the clean areas. If you look below, it's getting a bit choppier, right? So price is not going to be as clean as it's just been. So we need to take that into consideration. The zone is pretty good though, 50 pips, which is nice later on. But yes, a retracement would be very, very nice to then continue it down later on. It's going to be interesting to see what this 8 o'clock does. I mean, if you get a nice top wick for the hourly and try and sell again, then it might just work like it did on Friday. But we'll see. How's gold doing? Gold, the price action in gold for me is very, very tricky. Can you see the top wicks? The wicks are a bit nasty everywhere. So, yeah, not too good. So, yeah, I'm probably going to close this full thing out now. Yeah, I closed the full thing out. Beautiful. At 88 pips there, so I left my little runner on until 88 pips. So beautiful. So the actual losses we've taken this month, I mean, two of them have been with them gold trying to take support, which are quite risky, and then the rest one was a little very small GJ. So we haven't taken many losses this month, which is very, very nice to see. So very nice. 34 likes, guys. Make sure you like the streams. Also, if you've got any charts that you've taken any trades on, make sure to send me them, man. That's how you improve. Where's the chat you're talking about, Max? Only chat I get is you. Yeah, Ron, go here. Here, go to for new members, please read. You click there and you come to here. For people new, here's a link to our chat and then the setup chat too. Join all of them, and then you'll have access to them. So yeah, boy. How to get that Excel trading journal from Control FX? Sir, please explain why you take GJ, because we had the 4 hour flipping with us, we had rejecting the next zone as it pushed out. It was a fake out trade, which is called for me in my setups a closure back in the zone, And it looks like this. So everyone in my group, in my mentorship group, would have known about this entry because of this. You see, it's pretty textbook, right? Pretty textbook. So there you go. So well done if you got it. Sir, please let's take a look. What do you think about gold sells? As I say, the gold sells for me are a bit scary, just because this daily area is goddamn awful. So yeah, I don't know if I really want to be taking sells here. Got 30 pips on the 30 flip, closed 90%. Beautiful work. The DVS playbook entry. Yeah, well, don't think this is probably control. Controller probably has something similar. Yeah, I call it closure back in the range. I think he probably calls it a fake out. But this is my favorite setup by far, I'd say now. Just seeing it happen so many times is just very, very nice. And what it does is it makes you not have to worry about getting in buys. So people here might be like, oh shit, let's take some buys to continue up. They actually may have worked out here, maybe might have just scraped 10 pips. But it saves you from getting in impulsively for buys. When you know the higher time frames are bearish, I'm just gonna wait for some resistance to form to then ride it back down. So that's what I did, boy. What happened to GJ? It has died today, yeah. Oh yes. Do you analyze then take trades in MT? Yeah. So I analyze in TradingView and I take it on my MetaTrader. The reason why I don't have the whole MetaTrader up is just because it's so boring to look at, and also moving the chart looks like shit. Where's the link to the G Drive with all the setups? Are you not in the G Drive, Rush? Send me an email here and I'll add you on it. You should be in it though, but maybe some confusion happened. So yeah, let's take a look then. How far is it pushing into this next zone? So much bearish pressure here. It may just get to there. Let's take a look at news. Has there been any news for us? No. Industrial order expectations at 11 o'clock. Interesting.
Max, look in Telegram group.
Okay.
I shared what could possibly push this price down.
A bloody start to the week as sentiment takes a beating on new. Oh, fuck off.
Yeah, the only thing is, I was reading something the other day that was talking about China and essentially their approach for zero. They're wanting zero COVID essentially, and they're just trying to still eliminate it all, whereas everywhere else in the world's kind of said like, oh, we're going to live with it. So I don't know whether it would, like, yes, it does make sense, but I don't know whether that would be massive. News. I don't know.
That's interesting. They're going to use it for lockdowns in Beijing. Yeah, it's because they don't want anything, right? Mate, I'm sick of hearing that fucking word, man. I was in the car yesterday listening to the radio and a fucking advert of COVID came on. I'm like, are you joking me? Can you fuck off? Please. So right then, wicks of you here on the 30-minute time frame. Wow, man. Interesting. But when there is a lot of volume, there's also entries that we've talked about here. I mean, this one worked out nicely. Shit, how much would that run on? Oh my god. But yeah, the top wicks and the flips, when you've got a lot of volume, work quite well as well. You can see they would have worked 3 times here. One there, and one there. Just waiting for them little top wicks. The top wicks are all 10 pips. That's perfect, you know. Like, I couldn't think of anything better than that. Look at that. The stops 8.7 on that one. Yeah, 8.7 on that one. Mad. So yeah, you can see gold is kind of struggling in that area. So yeah, it's going to be hard to find anything else really on gold. But GJ may have still have opportunities, so we'll have to see. But what I'd really want is a retracement first, really. Somewhere like maybe up there. And then later on NY, we're going to take another sells again. It's going to be nice. The smoothest I've seen GJ move since forever. Yeah. Oh yes. So yeah, beautiful. I'll get that on right now, my man. I'll get it right on. Alright, let's do that now. Oh my god, it's still going down. Holy shit. This is the most I've seen from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. ever move. Damn, Daniel. There we go. Beautiful. They don't watch the football on the weekend. That Manchester game was interesting. It was interesting. Is Brian back? Got 25 pips in AJ? Oh, nice. It actually worked out. Let's take a look then. I saw AJ had bank holiday. Let's take a look. Maybe there's enough volume here. Got 25 pips. Oh, damn. Oh, that was nice. Someone tell me where the entry I would have taken if this was, if AJ wasn't a bank holiday. Where would I have taken the entry? I can see it right here because the stop is nice. Where's the entry? Beautiful session, yeah. Yeah, right there. I would have got in after it made that top wick here, because it's also making the 30-minute top wick. Can you see? So I'm always trying to like match the time frame. So the 30-minute bearish closure, that's the confirmation. Next one's made a top wick, which is about 12 pips, and then flips. Right? If you take a look at the 15 minutes, the same thing here. Yes, this broke the high, but the whole part of it is that this candle here is tapped up to the previous zone and rejected, closed bearish. When it breaks the lows, you're good, or flips if it's a harder stop. So probably there. Stop was 12 pips. Might have been worth it though because of how much volume. And there you go. Beautiful. So did you take that? Beautiful. Well done, mate. Well done. Well done. I took 10 pips in GJ, done for the day. Thanks, guys. Now I paper trade. Manish, well done. Were you the guy who talked about it this morning? Who was the guy who talked about it this morning? Manish, yeah. Beautiful work, mate. I'm glad you actually got your 10 pips there because you're the one that actually found it out at the start. Well done. Said this, I was stopped out of break even. Oof. 166 people in here. Amazing work, guys. And we'll see. So it looks like AJ does kind of have a bit of volume here, even though there's a bank holiday. Interesting. That was kind of clean. Take a look to the left. Where could we continue down to? I mean, it's coming towards a support right there. What, 569? There's some big support there. So probably around that area. No bother, brother. So much for a retracement of Friday's move down on GJ. What do you mean? So much of a retrace of Friday's move down on GJ. Well, yeah, we're bearish at the moment, you know. After that hourly close bearish as well was nice. Look at that. Oh my god, what a stinking trade that is. Holy shit. What a trade. What a trade. Yeah, very nice to start off the week. So yeah, let's actually take a look at Discord then. There's people actually putting any charts today. Maybe. Let's take a look. If not, make sure you just put your charts in. Always helps out. 25th. I took a sell on AUD USD today, Sydney time. I missed the first entry, so I waited for a pullback. Closed out, which gave me 2% to the day. Well done, Ron. Was that Ron? Very nice. Very nice. Over 1,000.
Yeah, that was me. Just testing my mic.
Yeah, hello, my man, Ronnie boy. You took that in Asian, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
That link for the stop loss mentorship channel is expired on my phone, so I don't know how to get that.
Oh. Which one?
Join channel stop loss mentorship.
Oh. Wait,
No, you're talking about
just
on the
says it's
bot.
expired.
You're talking about on the, yeah, that's when you pay for it on the bot. So it should have already opened up.
Yeah. Ah, right. So it's already open once.
So the only messages I get on the mentorship is just you, nothing else.
No, but on are you in this though?
No, I can't get that. I'm in Discord. That's it.
No, but you must be on this though, because you wouldn't be in this Zoom right now if you're not in this. You not see this chat?
Yeah, I'm subscribed to you, but I can't. All I get on the chat is
No, that's
only
the
posts
bot.
you make.
That's the bot. Is that this? I think it's this.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's the bot. Yeah.
Yeah. So go on this. Go onto this pinned message up here, that, and then you see here, you'll have the links to join the chats, and then you'll
And where's that in?
On this.
It's in the page where you would have clicked on the Zoom link.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
There'll be a pinned message.
I'm new
at the
to this
top.
program. I don't like it.
Yeah, I have a load of people ask me all the time about it. Wait, what? Zix? What the fuck is Zix talking about? Zix goes, went straight down with no resistance. You were telling people not to buy. Yeah, I was telling people on Friday not to buy because this is what happened. And everyone caught it. I said people don't buy GJ because look how bearish it is. Wait for resistance to form and take the sell. And that's exactly what I did. This is the retracement. Yes, the retracement doesn't look big because we nutted fucking 300 pips down, but look how the retracement was. It was actually 55 pips. That was well enough.
Ron, I just put both the links in the Zoom chat, so just click on them from there.
Yeah, and you'll be in them. I just closed full on GJ 3%. Well done, well done, well done. Looks like everyone's had a nice little start to the week. Very nice. Yeah, last week I was up like 4%, I think, 4.3%, something like that. And that trade's already put me up to 2% for this week, so that's pretty good. 174 people just before London Open. I don't know. I have no idea what's going to happen at London Open now because we've done the whole move, really. How far to the next support? There's still 30 pips to the next kind of zone. However, there's a little minor supports there on the hourly. You can see at 231. So I don't know, man. Might miss the boat. If you've missed these trades here, probably better to wait for a retracement. Glowed clap sellers, yeah. But why is that, and why did I stay out of it? Well, because the daily time frame is right in this area. So I'm gonna be a bit cautious in that area, you know. Thank you very much, Bully, for subscribing. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, guys. If you're here and you haven't just clicked that subscribe button, make sure to do so. I'm actually going to ramp up a lot more on YouTube videos and stuff. I'm changing the way I live right now. So I'm going to put a lot more effort in, I think. Because why not? Wow, moves have happened this morning. Yeah, Craigie boy. Yeah. Very, very early on. Pull back to ride back down at NY time. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for GJ. So hopefully a retracement, something like this, like I drew again on Friday. Later on, somewhere maybe back to here, 164014, and then you start to find some resistance, and then you ride that bitch back down. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, ma'am, I just unsubscribed. Yes. They didn't want to catch anything. Yeah, a lot of people got this Craigie boy. So did I. But I had a minute to write a signal, so it happened at 7:02. So yeah, but a lot of people, as I say, Craig, to other people who may not have caught this, make sure to have the messages on, because someone was already talking about it. Manish was talking about it. Kevin was talking about it this morning, and then they jumped into it at 7:02. Gold closing up now. Let's take a look. Interesting, yeah. Yeah. The zone that I could range up to would be, 1930, wouldn't it? 1935. So it's a big zone. The thing I could say here at 8 o'clock, if you're being cheeky, is wait for this next account to open, make a lower wick, come back to this level, and then flip. So something like this. That could be pretty reasonable. How much would that stop be right now? Oh, fuck Fucking hell, 32 pips. That's beefy. Oh, 50 minutes closing above like this minor resistance as well. Interesting. How's your small account doing, fam? Very, very good. I'm actually going to be hitting about 3,500, 3,600, I think. I might have just hit that today, actually, because of this. So yeah, nearly 2,000 profit in a couple of months. Only started on 1,400, I think. I'm gonna do that properly, but I wanna make it not like the same thing every day, just showing you my charts. I'm gonna try and put a little spin on it, so I'm working on that. Discord, please charge for the stream. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, daily fib and 4 hour on my side. It broke. 50-minute support. Waited for a retest on the level that I broke, and placed a sell stop on the flip. That's nice, man. That's beautiful. I would have taken that. Did I take that? Where the fuck was this? On that 22nd. Yeah, this was good. Very, very nice. You got to close your below support. You got a top wick rejecting the previous zone and get in on the flip. There you go. Easy work. Clean candles to the left. Bob's your uncle. Straight to TP. Very nice. Aim for 10 pips. 80%. Then break even. Then take a 20 pip or 50-minute next support. Yeah, beautiful. Very, very nice. Same as before, but this time it didn't break anything. It just formed a new resistance. Price tapped it again and made the same thing as before. Beautiful. So bearish closing back below, rejecting the zone. Wait for a top wick, which you got to think of there, and then wait for the flip. Bob's your uncle. Very nice. So I always say this with gold, you know, if you're getting in after it's made a top wick and you've got some nice volume, you can at least get 10 pips. So it's good. It's a good thing to get into because you basically get zero drawdown as well. Was the trade right at the beginning of the stream? I guess breaking 50-minute lows. Yeah, my man, right here. So it was pretty much, Craig, the exact same trade that we took here, but actually even cleaner, to be honest. And it was with the 4 hour flip. It was exactly what we like in this setup. Let's take a look what that looks like on the 30. So it was exactly that setup, which is nice. Buy silver, nice. Yes, buy silver. When the price was 164, 115, would you take a sell there because it was at support? No, I wouldn't have taken that. But Daiso did here, and he got a bit lucky. But yeah, I wouldn't have taken sells there because it didn't close below. If this candle here closed like this below, like that, then I would, yeah. Okay, so it's 8 o'clock over here. Nice. So 8 o'clock, the hourly's closed. Wow, look at that retracement already. God dang. People are looking to sell this bitch, but I don't know where else it would go. So I'm probably gonna leave it to find some retracement. So yeah. Oh, that's a shame, Craig. Yeah, it was a very early trade. Normally we don't really have trades in the morning, but that one for sure. 50 minutes closed very, very strong on gold. Has the hourly closed bullish as well? Yeah, nice. So I mean, maybe a retracement and then a flip would be kind of interesting. Let's take a look. Yeah, 25 pips on that little support there could be kind of nice. GJ closed at the 1 hour, 4 hour support. Let's take a look. Yeah. So there's no really any point selling really here. If you've missed the move, you've missed the move. Now what I want is a retracement back up, and then ride it back down, which may happen in this session, to be honest. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, it's only started.
No, we just have to.
Huh?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, you go, Vincent.
Yeah. No, we just have to do exactly the same as we did on Friday. Wait, and then boom.
Ride it back down. Exactly. Oh no. 10 pips daily, you missed it. Oh no. You missed the fucking sells. Oh man, that's made me want to get up earlier and earlier now, man. Because if I got up at 7:30 today, I would have missed that whole fucking move. So damn. Yeah, streams will be starting at 7 AM always now. Yeah, I know YouTube, my screen is fucking lagging. Don't worry, I'll be back in a second. Still pissed I didn't catch it on my reel. Could have made bank. Yeah, that sucks. Sometimes pre-London has volume. Sometimes even London doesn't have. Yeah. Don't rub it in, Max. Nah, but it's good though. It means like you get up a bit earlier. Like shit, if I was like 5 or 10 minutes, if I snoozed my alarm for 10 minutes, I would have missed that fucking trade.
Yeah, I missed that trade.
Yeah.
I missed that trade because I woke up at 3:45 in the morning for a piss, and I watched the charts, and I watched GJ went up for a little retracement, and then the next 15-minute closed bearish, and then I took a sell on the next 15 minutes, and I took 12 pips at 4 in the morning, but I did not wake up down.
Wow. Let me just update this. I closed like 13.
At least you didn't take a loss.
No, I didn't. I took 12 pips at 4 in the morning, way before trading hours.
Is anyone still holding a little bit, or holding like 20% of their runner? At like 140 pips profit. Oh, fucking hell.
I still haven't closed full.
Oh my god.
I'm just
You got the
joking,
full
man.
position open.
Nah, I'm just joking.
Oh.
I missed the trade.
Be a
guys.
nice start to the week.
Oh, yeah, Jesus Christ.
That will be a nice start of a new life.
Yeah, man, 140 pips, not closing. Boom. Got a small runner. Nice. Yeah, it looks like AJ would have worked nicely there as well. It kind of sucks, man. I mean, the bank holiday wasn't even on here, so shit, I might have been able to take that. What time is that at? 7 o'clock as well. Yeah, wow. So there we go over here. Gold's coming down. The only issue you have is obviously it's still very, very bearish, and actually the 4 hour has closed below. So for much that I'd want to take a little buy, a cheeky buy here to flip back up, I don't think I'm going to, because of the past gold trades that I've taken at support. It's kind of risking it, and I just don't think it's viable because of how bearish we are. And also, can you see here, right, the 4 hour support? Where's the 4 hour support if you have to draw a line? Well, let's just get your little arrows out. 4 hour support there, 4 hour support there, 4 hours wicks there. Can you see that this body of this candle is closed below all them? So it should theoretically still continue down, probably be down there. So yeah, I'm gonna be a bit cautious with taking the buys, but it'll be interesting to see, you know, if it retaps that level and flips. Nice to watch, but yeah. So maybe if it broke the highs now, that'd have been interesting. 25 pips stop, not too bad. Sells below 1914 on gold. Maybe. We'll have to see. It's just at a very difficult level with the daily, man. Look at the wicks. It was in that area for so long. How long was this? Let's take a look. Like literally from the 16th of March to the 7th of April. It's a huge amount of time. So yeah, we'll see what GJ has left for us, but so it looks like the hourly closed strongly, just like the other one did. But wow, buys on gold ? As I said, I'm not really gonna be looking at buys, but I mean, if you want to take this now, if this candle over here doesn't really break this level and then flips and breaks the high, then yeah, go for it. I don't see why not, because the hourly closed bullish. It's now made the bottom wick. If it wants to continue down bearish now, this should continue. But if it reflips and breaks the high, it's probably going to continue bullish. Yeah, exactly, managed. That's why I was a bit cautious with the sells. It's right at that level. 54 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. Make sure you ask some questions as well. You know, this time for people who are new trading is a perfect time to ask me questions in the chat. Always ask questions. You don't learn nothing without asking questions. If you guys do want to join us through NY session, because I also stream NY privately with the group, then make sure to click that button. And we're nearly hitting 5,000 subscribers. That's going to be interesting. I put on my Instagram yesterday maybe a couple of days ago, about a charity stream. It's like maybe like a 12-hour charity stream. That would be pretty interesting to do. I'd be knackered, but it'll be for a good cause. It'd be fun. Pretty fun. What's your top 3 setups? Let's go through them then. So first one at number 1 is this. It just works so well. Sells, I prefer sells, and every time that this happens, it just moves very, very quickly. Then I probably got to say resistance forming would be probably number 2. And then it would be a sell closure below. So every single sell is actually better than every buy, because sells for some reason just work a lot nicer. It's easier to fall than it is to gain. So I prefer sells. Can I download your setups folder? Nah, it's a part of the mentorship, my man. It's part of the whole educational content there. So yeah. So GJ pulling back up. Damn. Look at that. Look at that retracement. Look at that retracement. Interesting.
GJ, AJ, and EJ.
All
three.
pulled up. Oh my god. Look at that pull up.
Yep.
Yeah, interesting. To be honest with you, the more it pulls up, the better for me. So if it comes back up to 164, I'll be very, very happy, because the zone back down is another 100 pips. So that would be nice for me. That would be very nice for me. So yeah, we'll see. Oh, okay. So gold has came up. It's breaking the high. I'm gonna paper trade this. So that means I'm not taking it. I'm just doing it on just for confidence reasons, or just for I'm not too confident with it, but I just want to see if it works out. So it's broken. Did it re-break the highs right now? It's about to do it. It hasn't done it yet, though, I don't think. Okay, there we go. So broken the highs now. Stop loss will be below here. So, 33 pips is fucking huge. 33 pips is big, so that's another reason why I wouldn't take this. But yeah, let's take a look. 63 pips the next resistance, so it could be interesting. But as I say, I am not in this trade. I'm just paper trading it, because the higher time frames are very, very bearish, and I wouldn't want to take this. And also the stop is fucking ginormous, but we'll see. So yeah. JPY strongest pair. Wow. Because it hasn't been strong in a while, has it? Hasn't been strong in a while. So if you got in on the
after every bull run, it needs to calm down.
Yeah. How much would be on the flip there? Oh, 20 pips. That's probably more reasonable. That's probably what I would have done then. Max, on the 30-minute candle that you enter on, it made the top wick before making... Wait, it made the bottom wick before it made the top wick. Is that valid? Wait, what's this for, Salomon? What trade? The GJ trade? It definitely didn't. Called 12 pips on the 30-minute flip on GA. Nice. I need to check GA out. I haven't seen it in a while. I haven't seen GA. GA. So yeah, getting on the flip would have been more reasonable, because the stop would be 23 pips. That's probably what I would have done. 5 minutes close bullish above. This will go to continue now. Clean candles to the left. Damn, it's gonna be quite nice. So if we got in right on that flip, it would have been up 16 pips. Nice. So up 16 pips. Probably put this to break even now. See if we can continue to fill this range to the next zone, which would be here. And there you go. So kind of a counter trend trade, but I said to people, if people were interested in this, wait for the lower wick. Where did I want the lower wick to tap? Well, I wanted it to tap the previous hourly support, and look at that, I just did it. So yes, maybe I am just Mystic Mike, and I can guarantee trades that are gonna happen, but that's just what you like to see when you're doing counter trend on gold. But it's that right at support. You wait for at least a 30-minute or hourly closure. You wait for a lower wick, rejecting the lows again, and then you get the push. And that's what you would have done there. So I probably would have closed 80%, like 15 pips, and leave the rest to run maybe. The reason why I'm closing more than I would if it was the opposite way is because the overall trend is bearish. So the probability that this flies 200 pips is quite low, because the overall direction of gold is very, very bearish. Okay. So when you're going counter trend, take your pips and run, man, because it's probably not going to move that much. I'd have my runner up to here, so 48 pips profit, which looks like it may do. Because why? Someone tell me why it's going to move so nicely there. Easy, easy, snappy, snappy.
Clean candles to the left.
Yeah, so that's clean, so this should be clean. So we'll see if that plays out. Ah, that'd be nice. Fuck, I should have jumped in that bitch. Wow, GJ's pushed all the way back up at 480. Let's take a look if there's any entries there. Being cheeky. Nah, there wasn't. 190 people in here. Beautiful work. It's only 12 minutes past 8 as well. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Did anyone take that little gold entry? I wonder if people did. I wonder if they did.
Look good
Somebody
after that
probably.
Yeah, I'm sure someone did.
Yeah. I only flip on GJ. Just the next support's right there, man. And also, where's your stop gonna be? Is your stop gonna be 50 pips? Took gold on the flip. Well done, my man. Good for listening. Well done. Congratulations. Wow. Are you in a funded account or just your own account? Because the amount of percentage you've been gaining recently, if you're on a funded account, man, you need to fucking pay me some debts. To be honest with you, you've actually done some stinking trades yourself, actually. Half the time you come on here, you've already done a good trade. So very nice. Max, when is the charity stream? I don't know. We'll see. I want to like plan it and get it all sorted, but we'll have to see what charity we'll have to do as well. Maybe like a bunch of them. But yeah. So now like people go like, oh, if this flips over here, you might be able to squeeze some out, but be careful, man. The support is right there, which isn't that far away. It's just scraping 10 pips, and also your stop is going to be Gigantosaurus, so be careful. Gold buy next 50-minute candle. Yeah, I think the gold buy happened a bit earlier here. Getting in a bit higher up is going to be a bit riskier. You're getting right at the low of the levels. Nice low wick, nice rejection. Let's see if this 5-minute can continue over here. 20 pips in gold, close full. Nice, Tommy boy. Tommy boy has got so much confidence right now. My guy will be in every fucking trade. He doesn't miss. Are you in a funded as well, Tom? Or you just got your own funds? He's got his own dollar. Very nice. I got asked about which funded things to do, and I kind of want to give it to people who've done it. But has anyone done FTMO and my FOREX funds and can decide which one's better?
FTMO is the better one.
Yeah.
The only negative is that, well, okay, there's two negatives. FTMO, you have to get 10% on the first stage, whereas on MFF it's 8%. So that's,
yeah,
it is a chunk. I mean, it's not huge, but it is a chunk. And then there's restrictions with news on FTMO, but realistically, I mean, we don't trade news anyway, but there is the odd news restrictions with FTMO, but the payouts, the customer service, the spreads, everything else is much better with FTMO than MFF.
Yeah, the main thing with me would be the spreads. I know MFF sometimes the spreads, and I'm so used to nice spreads. I think if I started it, I'd be fucking pissed.
They're not terrible, but they're not as good.
Yeah, they're not like icy markets, right?
No, GJ's pretty good on it right now. Like you're looking at half a pip to 1 pip, but then gold's sitting at 3 pips right now.
Yeah, quite beefy. So 5-minute closed above. So I mean, as long as it respects that low of the 5-minute, this should potentially continue here. I wish I took that flip now. I don't know why I didn't take it. Mainly because of just how bearish we were, but because it gave that low wick, it was pretty nice. But anyway, good to paper trade it anyway. 15-minute close bullish on GJ. So this may be the next couple hours to retrace it all the way back up. I hope so then I can ride that bitch back down. So yeah. Oh wow, that's mad, Craig. So maybe the spreads are that bad, or just the take profits and stuff. That's interesting. So your FTMO is much more. FFF is master and FTMO is linked. Oh wow, it's even linked as well. What you got max on paper trade? Yeah, on the gold. It was counter trend, so it went up 20 pips. So I probably would have closed at like 20 pips, 80%, and then leave the rest running because the stop was 22 pips. So it's like a 1-to-1. See if this runner can continue up here. But it was basically counter trend on gold. We've came to a level of support. If you take a look on the daily where we're at, very, very strong level. The last hourly candle tried to close below, did not, pulled all the way back up. And then I said if this next 50-minute or 30-minute makes a bottom wick and then flips, you're going to be good. And it did. So that was a little paper trade. And the runner would have just got hit out of break even there. Craigie boy, you gotta just do it. I paper traded on GJ flip. I took 10 pips. Oh, is it just flipped? Oh, on the buys right here. Yeah, I don't know. Getting caught into stuff like that though, and getting used to taking these buys very risky, man. Even though it worked out nicely and they can maybe get it out, I think getting used to like taking buys at levels where price is so bearish is not a good thing to get into. So, you know, you paper trade it. Well done. Max, have you noticed that pre-London moves a lot, and when London opens, volume dies? That's why I decided to enter before London and close it before too. I think it's really relative, man. A lot of my trades, if you take a look at this here. 1 second. If you take a look how many trades I took at 8 o'clock. 1, 2. I'm just gonna do it around. That's pre, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so six trades I took at 8 o'clock pretty much. So for me, there's still enough volume there to take trades. But yeah, I mean, how many did I have before? So that was kind of before. So 1, that was kind of before. 2, 3, 4. So 4 before, 6 at. So I still think there's more at 8 o'clock. Still think there's more at 8 o'clock, yeah. So yeah, what's your time for pre-London? 7 AM, I think. 7 AM start off for pre-London, yeah. Yeah, Craigie boy, it might happen later on, man. It's already moved 140 pips, but literally what I'm looking for right now later on is something like this. Okay, so where price retraces, then we cause some resistance, and then we ride it back down to the lows. Cause some resistance, ride back down to the lows. That's what I'm looking for later on. Max, when can I take a buy on GJ? Not today. Just don't take buys, please, man. It's not worth it. And why do I say this? Well, let's look to the left, right? So this day we also did this, right? 7 o'clock, push down loads. Look at this momentum. This is literally the same fucking day, pretty much. Okay, price comes up. Everyone's wanting to take a buy on this fucking candle. Nope, they would have either got break even or lost that trade. Same thing happened here, and now it finally did. And then look, I come back in the market. I take my sell. I take my 30 pips and I leave, and I didn't have to get in this traffic. Please try not to take the buy straight away. It isn't worth it. Just wait for the sells to come later on. Because
it's like gold right now.
Yeah.
It's pushed up, but it actually pulled all the way back down, and you would, okay, you might have got your 15 pips this time or whatever, but it did pull back down a second ago, and you would have definitely been out at break even. And so whether or not it pushed I guess it never got 1-to-1, maybe, or I didn't measure it, but yeah, so it's the same kind of thing. Like the volume's definitely going downwards, not upwards.
Exactly. But because how many times do people ask me this on the stream? Like, there's so many people in YouTube going, right, when can we buy now? It's right support, we can buy this bitch. It's like, yes, but you know, when you're in a trade and you counter trend, you can feel it, right? It doesn't move clean, it doesn't move nice, it doesn't move like what we just did today. It moves fucking awful. It'll run in and out of profit. It'll be a very, very nasty trade, and you'll probably end up either hitting break even or losing it. All you got to do is just wait for the resistance to form. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing here later on, okay? I'm going to wait up here, and I'm going to ride it back down. So always pay attention to what I'm saying, because if you actually paid attention later on at NY, you'll be able to take them trades. Even if you're not on my mentorship, you'll still be able to take them because you've listened. So like here. It's exactly what I said on Friday, and shock, it's happening the same thing again because price does the same thing.
And it will start to do this. Okay.
So listen.
Okay, so then it comes up. Now, once we get some resistance forming, and then you also still got the trend on you, so something like this. Now, what's better about this? Well, now we know that past price, when we came back down here, we came to this next support, which is down here. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. Down here. So when we're taking this resistance forming, we have an easy target to at least the lows of here. Waiting for resistance to form is a really good way of waiting, showing your discipline, waiting for price to retrace, and then taking a beautiful sell and back down to the lows. Okay, so I always advise, if you're getting a bit too like, oh, should I take the sells, breaking the lows again, whatever, just wait.
And there you go. Paid
right, oh mate, I'm gonna have a clip today. I can't fucking wait to post it.
I'm gonna have a clip today. If I get the same clip today as well, damn. Looking like we're coming back down again. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. So yeah, we'll see. Looking like gold's still continuing. Made the lower wick. But yeah, as I say, that would have been the first push. Now this is just a bit messy now. I'm taking gold on the 15 minute if it comes. Ah, nice. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to take that again. I'd rather just get in low there. Very nice trades right there, bro. You are killing it. Thank you very much. Yeah, April's been pretty good at me, I'm not gonna lie. It's gonna be quite a good percentage month for me, I'm not gonna lie, which is good. Very nice. Does anyone here trade my FOREX funds? Yeah, I think I probably have about 6 or 7 people in my group who have my FOREX funds funded or nearly funded. So yeah. Oh yeah, congratulations to Michael over here. Very, very good work on his phase 1, which he finally passed, which is very, very good. This is quite interesting. Where our best trades were, where our bad trades were. That's kind of interesting, that one. 8 o'clock. Oh, but sorry, this is your time zone, isn't it? Yeah. So this one was where the beefy trades come in. Nice. Let's take a look. Ah, Ron's found it, bless him. Oh, Derek. Has Derek just joined? I think if Derek's here, go to this and go at the pinned message, my man. Huge earnings reports this week. Oh, is there a lot of news? Let's take a look then in the next couple of days if we're going to get anything interesting. Tomorrow, nothing too much. Public sector net borrowing, interesting. Some AUD news. Look at Thursday. Advanced GDP. It's going to be interesting one to see. Unemployment claims as well. JPY, there's a lot of JPY news. That's going to be interesting, man. Maybe give us a lot of volume in the markets. Let's take a look on Friday. Ah, it's not too bad, man. I mean, this is a JPY bank holiday again. Apparently, we've got more bank holidays coming up. I swear we'd have more. Let's take a look.
Yeah, I think. Do you guys have one this
on
Friday?
Monday. On Monday.
Oh, okay.
On Monday, and then I'm pretty
yeah,
sure there's some more. Wait, let's take a look. I think that's fine. That's the last one for a while. Okay, that's fine then. So that's this Monday coming, yeah. CAD bank holiday. God, there's so many bank holidays in this time. Sheesh. So yeah, we'll see. Up 20 pips in US30. I told you guys to buy. Nice yam. Well done. 20 pips on US30. Isn't that quite small though? Isn't US30 like run like fucking 400 and shit? Check Discord, please. What do you think? Okay, let's take a look. No. So can you maybe go through this chart with me, right? You need to try and be a bit more aggressive in what you're gonna talk about. So just use a text thing and write what you're thinking. Because for me here, you've just entered a sell on a bullish candle, 2 bullish candle closures, and just on the low wick of this one. Okay. So yeah, maybe wait for that, maybe 15 to close at least. But for me, you know, yes, gold is bearish, but we are right at that support, and we just talked about the buys, didn't we? We just talked about getting into buys here, and they should potentially continue up. So yeah, taking a sell there would have been kind of hard. Yeah, just reached school. I'm so sad I can't watch the stream anymore. Oh no. Well, get your work done, man. Get your work done, boy.
Skip school and start trading.
Champion Pips just entered into sells. Would you enter on what, GJ? If you found a way to get in, nice. I think you got in on the 5-minute, right? But for me, it's I'm happy with my 140 pip trade. I always sell like that. 90% is loss. Exactly. So don't do it. Don't take a sell here, because what is actually happening? Well, it's just this candle's making a lower wick, okay, to then continue up. If you took a buy there, if you took the exact opposite trade there, you probably would be okay. So yeah. Let's take a look at some more questions. If gold closes bearish, will you sell if it gives a nice top wick to retest? No. Why would I not take the gold sells if this happened? I think this is what you were talking about. Well, it's because the hourly time frame closed bullish. Max, I took a buy on gold. Nice. I think you may be okay now. Look at that rejection. Look at that rejection. Very, very nice. Breaking the high. Should come up over here. Clean candles to the left. Let's see if we can get to 1922. Some nice 5-minute rejections though. It's taking its time though, but why is it taking its time? Well, it's because the higher time frames aren't with it. Look at the daily, it's so bearish, so it takes a lot of time. There you go, should be coming up over here. 1922.6. See you later, Craig. Adios amigos. So yeah, I mean, another thing that I always say is, you know, this move here, if you miss the move, please, for the love of God, try not to just try and get in now, because you know, you're getting a bit of FOMO. Just wait later on. Because if you think about it, if you come to what happened before here, this move happened. I was here, and I'm right now with Kane to support. It's probably going to range a little bit. You know, it needs to relax a little bit. But people would have been looking. If you took buys or sells here, you're probably going to lose, right? So if you took a buy, let's take a look, like there, you probably would have lost. If you took a buy there, if you took a sell there, you might have scraped it. If you took a sell there, you would have lost. So just wait for later on when the volume comes back. This is why I have a gap in my trading. I don't do it because I'm lazy. I do it because it's true, right? So I finished streaming at 9:30, right? So 9:30 is here, right? So I finish there. So look at this, right? This is my trading window here. This is where I finish. This is where I start trading again. Now, can you see why? Okay. This has a lot of volume. This is where I'm going to take some nice trades. This ranges, and then we get a nice volume again. So I want to trade where the best volume is. And right now, so from backtesting GJ, 9:30 to 11:30 in this area is normally pretty crap. Okay, so that's why I leave it. UJ wants to break previous low, but it looks like there's some strong support there. Yeah, send me a chart, I'll take a look at it. 64 likes today, amazing work, guys. Kind of a small day, actually. Not many people on this morning. Interesting. Let's take a look then. Is Champion Pips in this trade still? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
No, Max. He closed 10 pips, 50%. I got break even.
Ah, nice. Nice. Right, looking at the 1 minute. Did you get it,
Yeah.
Milan? Did you try and get in?
No.
Yes.
No, fuck no. Fuck 5 minute entry.
Max, when did you take a buy on gold?
That retracement, a higher retracement I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Like Friday.
Yes, boy, he's got a good idea. Milan's listening. Max, when you take buy on gold, please. No, I didn't take it. I just paper traded it, but the entry would have been here. Stop loss below there. I would have already taken 80%. But these low wicks are kind of annoying. But why is this? Well, because it's counter trend. I want that flip and I want the drive. I don't want to hold this on for long, you know. So yeah.
I like that gold, but I'm scared of bearish trend.
Exactly, man. Yeah. I think I probably would have taken that just because of how solid the candles closed and the nice low wick and the flip. But it was also, yeah, counter trend. That's why I just paper trading it, but it would have worked out. So it would have got, so would you have got a 1-to-1? Yeah, 22 pip stop and a 30 pip gain. Actually, no, that would have wicked me out. I think it went, yeah, 23 pip gain. So it would have been a 1-to-1. Damn. So really good start to the week. If you guys didn't take any trades though, as I say, don't get worked up about it, man. You got so many more days. Just chill out. Look at how you could have got in. If you just got up too late, then get up earlier. Or, you know, if you couldn't actually see the move at all, if you didn't actually get it, then, you know, watch the recap. Look at the trade entry that we talk about. Closures back in the zone. Literally, absolutely textbook. Why was it textbook? Well, because look at the 4-hour line on this chart. One second. Look at this. Look at the 4-hour. We're literally pretty much identical. Just above the flip. You get in on the entry candle here. Beautiful. Worked out nicely. So yeah. Yeah, ma'am, I just had a terrible experience. Oh god, did you not close your US30? Oh god, no. Same thing with AJ there. Would have been nice, but obviously you didn't take that trade, so let's just get that off before people think I have. I've got someone who is bearish. What was that other thing on YouTube there? Let's take a look at any other streamers. Let's just support some people over here. See. If you guys haven't followed the Instagram as well, make sure you go follow it. I post all the clips up. I'm getting a bit better. I don't know how this one here got 13,000 views, which is pretty nice. I may have to, like, I don't know what I did good in that one, but it seemed to work. But yeah, if you guys haven't followed the Instagram, I want to get to 10k followers now, because if I get to 10k, it looks a bit more professional, and I don't have to really worry about many scammers as much, because most of them don't have 10k. I know there's one that does, but if I have 10k, it looks a bit better, and I don't want people to get scammed. How was the boxing match? Well, it's exactly what happened and that I predicted, right? Did anyone watch it? It's exactly how I predicted it. He was gonna outbox him and fuck him up. Shock. I told you, this guy is the best boxer I've ever seen. No one has beaten him. I'm sorry. I see some comments though, and like people still have like fucking on the comments like, oh, AJ will mash you up. Say, oh my god, he's that bad at like I'm not even a boxing fucking like pro. I don't even know what's going on really, but he ain't fucking losing. That's all I know. He is not losing. Exactly, man. Not professional. You want to get verified. Well, yeah, I would like to get verified, but that ain't gonna happen for a while. So Daniel Savage got his back though. But yeah, man, I think interesting. Let's take a look. DC Trading Company. There's only. Oh no, there's some here as well.
Ayid says Aussie SPC earlier. Long on demo, current pullback. That's a good one, Ayid. I love that. I would. Just because.
Is he Swedish? He sounds a bit like PewDiePie.
Aussie SPC. Long.
He's from Norway.
Oh, from Norway. Yeah, close. Yeah. It's quite an interesting accent. Did you hear it?
Yeah. It's quite funny too.
Yeah.
Because I remember the first time he came on Nick's channel.
Yeah.
When he was filling in for Nick because Nick was on a holiday. A lot of people were pissed at him because they thought he was drunk.
Really? Oh, like Trader Nick, the one that I know.
Yeah, Trader Nick. Yeah, from A1 Trade. Yeah. Yeah. But his analysis is good, and his first stream he wasn't used to it, and he was nervous because A1 trading is quite a big company compared to him. He's on his own. And you could see him was nervous. And people were shit about him and you don't know this, you don't know that. And then the day after, a couple of his setups, they were bang on, and everybody's okay, not that bad after all.
Yeah. Take a look at him over here. I like looking at other people. Nathan Trades. Take a look at this guy.
The lows on GJ. Could just reject. So watch out for that.
Nice.
He's looking set up on gold.
He's looking similar. How long has he done it for?
This was a day where
12 watching. You know what I'm interested in is why do I get more views than everyone else? Like, what's the reason for it? Because I'm just like pretty much the same as them guys, I suppose. Maybe my trades are just a bit like maybe. I wonder what the reason is. You trying to get? I'm a bit mental. Like I think a lot of these guys are quite monotone, whereas I'm not at all. But whenever we trade, I'm like, "Fucking move, you pussy!" Max, when you take a sell on gold,
just
please.
have more fun.
Yeah, that's true. Those guys are boring. Yeah, like just sitting there and being boring the whole time. But I suppose, right? It's like this, right? If I was just exciting but a shit trader, then you'd probably still watch the person who's quite a good trader and boring. But it's good that I'm both, eh?
Head's getting pretty big.
Wait, who? His
Your
head's
head.
getting big. You don't have dead live streams, always speaking, answering questions. Yeah, and the community in Zoom. Yeah, very true. Very true. So 15-minute close bearish. Could you have got in there? Nah. Stops are huge. But looks like it's coming back down to that level. Broke the 30-minute lows. Hourly's also flipped. So yeah, pretty nice. You make more sense. It's funny though because if you look at all the streamers, they've all learned from the same fucking person. Come on, it's so obvious to see. Like you can't tell me. Right, let's take a look. You can't tell me that. Oh fucking hell. That like this guy did not learn from Raja. So we all learned from the same geezer. Like look, he's looking at gold and GJ. That's all I have to know. Let's see if I know anyone in there. Luke Gannon, I might know Luke. It's funny seeing everyone else on like different streams and stuff, all just moving to different ones. It's cute. Okay, so gold over here coming back down. Jeez. So there we go. So did it fill that wick up? Not really. Still had a little bit away, but it makes sense. You know, it's counter trend. So you got to be in and out. You don't hold on these trades. You get in and out. You get break even. Tough shit. 4 hours flipping now. Interesting. Interesting. The daily's coming down again. 19:10 could be quite nice. It's just how you're gonna get in because the wicks to the left here are fucking horrendous. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see at some point. You make more sense, yeah. Bank robber FX does live gold trades only. Fucking bank robber. It's the names that get me, man. Some of the names that I see these people, I'm like, why did you come up with that? That's such a gimpy name. What the fuck?
Oh, that guy once fought with Raja.
Oh yeah,
Raja stream.
Oh yeah, he was the guy who went on and just like was like, you fucking
Yeah,
talking about me? Oh my god, that's so funny. That was great. Champion Pip sold on 1 minute's high. Well, he wanted to get in themselves clearly, and it looked like it worked out. So pretty nice. Pretty nice. If you don't mind saying what was the highest you made in a day, and how like were you aggressive? Like, did you overtrade or over risk? No, I think so. The time that you make a lot of money, okay, is when you've already taken a trade and you're already profitable for the day. So the stress is off if you really take another trade, right? You're getting to a trade, you've got quite a good entry, you realize, oh, I could just run this and see how far it pushes. That is the trade that you make fucking bank on. That's the trade that Raja does. That's the trade that Ted does. When they get into a nice entry and they go, you know what, this could actually run, and I don't care if it hits a break even because it looks pretty good to continue. And then you leave it, you come back in an hour's time, and now you're up 100 pips. That is a trade that I've realized that you need to get. So it's when you're already up, you maybe already taken 1.5%, 2% of the market in the day, and you find this one next entry, and you go, you know what, I'm just going to hold this, see if it can continue. I've got a nice quiet entry, and that's when you get the stinking trade. Because the issue is with your first trade of the day is, you know, you want to be profitable for the day, right? So you want to be, every time it moves a bit more, you're like, oh, should I take it off? Should I take it off? For me, I can't not just click the button. Like, I have to take some off the table, you know. But it's when you have a trade where you don't care about it and leave the full thing on, and it launches. But then you got to also be happy with the break even as well. So yeah, 30 minute has no bottom wick. 17 minutes left. Coming back to that level of support, I don't know. We are gonna wait. We are gonna, but GJ on the fake out for the sellers or what? What are you on about? GJ right now is at a level where I don't want to be trading it, okay? Because it's coming to this support. However, what else have we got maybe later on? Well, below 162.940, we've got a nice zone. Where can we go to, guys? Someone draw it. Where would our next target be if we break this low? First target. Obviously 10 pips, obviously, but the target. Very good, Vincent. Yes. So it'll be on the resistance here, because that's where price can make a support. But look, again, clean candles, so this could be a nice area as well. That zone is also 70 pips. Oh my god, this could be a nice fucking day, man, I'm not gonna lie. So that could be nice. So closures below there, if this doesn't really retrace that much and then closes below, that could be a nice zone to take trades in as well, on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, that could be also very, very nice. If you get closures on gold below, are they good for sells? Let's take a look. It's still holding that level. I don't know, man. I don't know. And like the thing is that the support is actually here, right? And there's so many wicks rejecting. It's just at that daily support, man. I don't know. I don't know if I'd want to risk some of my profits from GJ to get into a risky gold trade here when it's not clean. So that is probably it. So yeah, I'm probably going to do simulation sessions tomorrow. They're going to be all up. The GJ webinars are going to come today as well. I'll be posting that later on. If you guys do want to join the mentorship and upgrade your trading, I have loads of people funded now, and we're really good as a community overall. Even when I'm not here, they're still talking about trades and taking trades in the chat. It's a good place to be in, and it's probably going to be 100% worth it. You can cancel at any time. You can do crypto, PayPal, direct debit, all that kind of stuff. So there's loads of ways to pay, and you won't regret it. The signals will pay for themselves anyway, but just learning from a group of people who are also not retards, trust me, it helps you a lot. We don't have any.
What a nice compliment.
And our that's the only compliment you need when you're trading. It is though. Like if I had like maybe like 10 or 20 people in the group who were like, Max, what about this trade? And I just looked at it and it was so shit. I'm like, oh, bro, really? Like, every single trade that someone like asks about is normally a good trade to take. So, yeah, we got a good group. What's the WR on the Nasdaq strat? Wait, is Brian back today? I fucking miss Brian. Is Brian coming back? I need to message him today. Looks like he might not be today. I swear he said Monday. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's tomorrow.
Probably got eaten by a big white shark.
Yeah. Maybe. See, look at Goldie coming back down. Interesting. Oh, what's the average stop loss? Okay, average stop on NAS is 30 pips, average TP is 70, and then runners go like 150, 100. That's normally what Brian and Jason do. So yeah. So there we go. All the trades I've taken this month so far. 73% win rate. My losses are a lot smaller than my winners. So pretty happy with that. 225 pips. So you can see how much percent. If I risked 1% per trade here for 10 pips, you can see how much I've made. But I actually risked 1.4. So you can do the maths on how much percentage I've made this month pretty easily, and it's about right as well. Yeah, it's coming towards 35%, I think. So 30, 35, I think. 30 actually, sorry, not 35. I think 30%. Let's take a look here. Planning on sells below 1908 for gold is okay, Max. 1908. 1 second. Why can't I see anything? I think 1910. Yeah, like around there would be probably a bit better because the daily then will be a lot further below. But still, it then works. I don't know, man. It's a hard one. It's a hard thing today. You'll have to see. Maybe. So win rate. Brian doesn't really take many losses. I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know if he showed me. I don't know. I don't know what. I think his win rate he said about 80%. So yeah, it's pretty good. But he doesn't take like fucking 20 trades a week. It's like maybe 4 or 3 a week. So yeah.
For him to have done 100% in a month, he must have taken a lot of trades.
Well, he also took the GJs, the AJs, and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think
those NAS trades are massive, but it's still percent risk. Like if he's got a 30 pip stop, it's not like he's risking 1% per 10 pips. So
no, exactly.
It's still massive. But I'm not saying it's bad.
Well, no. If he has a 30 pip stop and it goes 100 pips and he closes 80% there, that's 3%.
Yeah, but some people would be thinking it's fucking 10%.
Oh, okay. No.
That's not. I wasn't
not
trying
like if you had to take 100
mean.
pips on GJ today.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, that's what I was getting at.
I get you.
But for him to still get 100%, that's massive.
I know. To be honest with you, though, I think I'm not gonna lie. Some people in this fucking group could easily get that nicely. People who are a bit more risk takers, not risk takers, but just on the ball. So I'd say Tom is. Tom, the amount of fucking stinking trades he does. I don't think. What percentage are you up for the month? Same with Roche as well. He's done some big ones.
Oh, I've just got another payout, Max. So just waiting to go into 4% drawdown.
You got another payout. Fuck, how much percentage are you up?
Yeah. 4. Only 4. But
still though, man.
Still 2 grand.
On what account? Account size?
50.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's mad. So how much money have you made then from that whole fucking scenario?
Oh, I don't know. Probably 8 grand, maybe 9.
That's
not heaps, but still pretty
Mate,
good.
That's not heaps. That's fucking good shit. Shit. Oh god.
Oh yeah. Fucking.
Well, maybe this time let's try and not go and draw down. Then when you get a fucking 12% payout, I'm taking a 5% cut.
Please. Bitch, please.
Okay, I'm just gonna fuck you up again and do some. And the next trades, I'm gonna do 4 shitty trades and then fuck you up.
But to be fair, when I get in the drawdown, I usually do try and risk some stupid thing, and I'm like, nope, going back.
Yeah. How the fuck have you kept that account though, man? I just don't get that. Like, if you're in any, if I was in any drawdown and I over risk on that, I'm losing that fucking trade every time. Like, there's no way I'm fucking winning that. Back in the days, anyway.
I sort of start risking it a little bit more when I'm in drawdown, and that's sort of how I get back.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I may put my risk up a little bit more when we take in this closure back in the zone, because that motherfucker works every time.
Yeah, fuck. I wish I was on 10 minutes earlier, 20 minutes earlier.
Yeah.
It's all good.
As long as you get what it is, when it happens, 1,000 times now, you know what you're gonna do.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, gold. I don't know, man. For me, I'm just not gonna risk this. I don't know if it's gonna hold that support or not. But for me, if I don't know where it's gonna go, then fuck that. 50-minute close bearish, kind of right there. Nah, I ain't risking that, boy. Let's take a look at this here. Always remember, guys, as well. Like if you have a trade opportunity that you think's good in Zoom, make sure to just put it in the chat, and I'll take a look at it. Was that Tom today? Is this today? Oh no, 22nd. Yeah, always just put it in here and we can take a look together. Because what will happen is you may put a trade in and you might think, oh, I don't know if this is gonna work, and I go, mate, that's a fucking class trade. Get in that bitch. It'll gain the confidence that you need. Because some people, at the start, why would you have any confidence if you're at the start? You wouldn't have any confidence because you don't have any percentages to back you up, or you don't have any statistics. So asking for a bit of help and if this chart looks good or if this trade looks good, always ask me, because that's the way you improve. I'd much rather you bombarding me with 1,000 charts than asking me how much percentage gain I've made this week, or what lot size are you using. Let's see how gold 1 hour.
How do you calculate your lot size?
How do you calculate your lot size? Oh my god. Raj just still entertains it. Every fucking day I hear someone asking him and he still says it. It's like, do you know how basic this maths is? Like, and they go, oh no, but Max, why does 10 pips is actually only £7 and not 10? Well, because that's how the US is converted. So all you got to do is add a bit more lot size on. Like, it's really not that.
Excuse me, Max.
Huh?
Check the Telegram group. Excuse me, Max. Check the Telegram group. I post the lot size on 1.3% of account. Over 100K.
On what? Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
For people who doesn't know.
Oh, did you cut that out and laminate that? Or is that actually your photo? Or did you just find that on Google?
I don't know, my girlfriend.
Oh, that's so fucking cute. I can just see you guys going to the printer, laminate, going, yes, this is how you do lot sizes. Sick.
That's a stop loss tip. See?
Yeah. So yeah, it looks like it's just fanning about here, which is fine. I am just going to wait patiently for some retracement and ride it back down later on. GU question mark. Send me a chart, I'll take a look at it. Looks like AJ's finally retraced a little bit up as well. And gold is struggling, so... Yeah, it's a shame I couldn't give this all to you guys, but if you were on the ball, you should have really got in there, okay? If you were up and you were looking at it, you should really trigger that. Everything about it was perfect. The big top wick, the top wick hitting the resistance, everything about that trade was perfect. So, the very strong candles, the clean candles near it as well, everything, that was textbook. So if you didn't see it, try and have a look and see now how you could have probably got in. And then next time it happens, you'll get it. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So we'll see. We're coming towards 5,000 subscribers. Damn. Let's take a look. I think it's 5,000. 5,000 subscribers. 4,798. Nearly there. Nearly there. This is my GU from last week. Ooh. So this is the daily chart. Oh wow, that was your swing, wasn't it? Oh man, where did you close?
It closed 280 pips.
Nice.
It took my
And how much was your stop?
My stop was 144, but I moved it after 1 day to break even.
Wow, nice.
And I took partial profits.
Very nice.
And eventually I had my stop loss where the red dotted line was.
I hear.
Was way in profit.
Yeah, yeah.
This morning it just went poof. So, but I know you were interested in the commission, and I only pay $2.98 on that trade.
On what lot?
You mean swaps?
Swaps, yeah.
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 So
that's not bad.
I took a 1%, just below 1% risk.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Because I'm not allowed to take more than 1% risk on each trade. So.
Yeah. What's your win rate? Well, this month it is 73%, 74% nearly. So the win rate isn't that good compared to some months, but the actual, if you actually look at my losing trades, one was 3 pips, one was 6 pips, one was 11, and one was 16 on gold. So pretty small compared to the. So I'm happy taking them 3 L's that were all less than fucking 7 pips. So. We can send charts to the Discord. Yes, go to the Discord, go to the server rules, make sure to click this tick button, and then you can have access, and then you can go to charts for the stream, and then you can put in your trades. So yeah, I'll put in the Discord link here as well. That's where you can whack your trades in. So there we go, beautiful. GJ's coming up, which is amazing. I took a buy in GJ Max. Oh wow, okay. On the 30-minute flip maybe. A bit risky, but looks like it might be okay. So yeah, the more this pushes up in the next couple hours, the better for me to then take the sells again. So yeah. See you later, Vincent. Adios, amigos. Yeah, we'll see. So looking like gold's breaking the low, should potentially continue down, but as I say, the wicks to the left, it's just not too nice. Kyle, can you check Discord and tell me my strat? I need to comment it. I'm new here. Kyle, I'm not gonna lie, you have probably been on my stream for about 6 months. You're not new. Let's take a look. Gold 15-minute time frame. Okay, you're taking a sell, resistance forming. 4-hour close bullish, price is near to the daily, same thing. 10 pips TP. Oh, there. Okay, sorry. Yeah, nice. I mean, it was counter trend though, and you can see after it doesn't work out, but yeah, looks okay. Worked really nicely in the flip, and at least you had the 4-hour with you, so pretty nice. Daily and 4-hour in my favor, broke the 15-minute support, and then price came back and retested 10 pips. Yeah, so beautiful. Closure below top wick. That was the one that we talked about before. Easy work. I'm trying out like 1 hour and 4 hour and daily bias with me, and the price closing forming resistance and support. Yeah. What do you think? Yeah, beautiful. I think that was nice. I think the 4-hour over here was nice. I wouldn't have taken that trade if you didn't have the 4-hour with you, but it looked like it worked pretty well. And yeah, pretty good. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Pretty good, pretty good. So yeah. So I'm liking this already, that we are retracing at this time, which is good to see. Because the more it pulls up, the more room we have to fly back down again. So that's what I wanted to see. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock now. I don't see there's much point in me staying on over here because there's nothing much I'm going to be looking for. But it's been a really, really good stream. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Unfortunately, the trade did happen very, very early on in the stream. So if you guys did miss it, then get your stinking ass up earlier. But if you guys do want to join us on the NY session, I'll put the link here. You get signals, Zoom access, webinars, simulations every single week. For a really good price, and the signals pay for your mentorship pretty much. So there's the link there. If you guys do want to join that, make sure to do that now because it's the start of the week. Perfect time to do it. But yeah, guys, people in Zoom, thank you very much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later, man. I'll see you guys at 11:30, 12 o'clock, somewhere around there. So yeah, guys, peace out, man. See you later, alligator. Adios, amigos.
See you later, Max.
See you later, bud. If I can get off over here.
See you later, guys. See you later.
See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you very much, man. Peace out. Make sure you like the stream before you leave. Let's get 100 likes. Come on. 50 more likes. Bash that bitch. See you later, alligator.